Good morning. Welcome back to the CryptoLabs YouTube channel. Sun is coming up, and I am inspired with a quick message about DeFi, about crypto, and about building your portfolio as a business. I've been talking about this for a while, but my ideas around it keep expanding almost on a monthly basis as I am a practitioner of the same thing. DeFi as a business, seeing your portfolio as a business, seeing the DeFi, liquidity pools, staking, anything that produces cash flow as a business. And I was talking to a few business owners last week, and we were just kind of talking about business. And it's like, we realized that business won't make you rich. It's typically a source of cash flow. For many people, their business is their job, and a business, it gives you a monthly income, but it's not going to make you rich. It's a very small, like a percentile of a percentage where they actually get rich. We're talking the Amazons, the Teslas. Most business owners don't. It's a source of cash flow. Okay, that's not a bad thing. In the same way that our DeFi portfolio, the actual part of the portfolio that prints you cash, may not make you rich. You'd have to have millions of dollars to be able to inject into a portfolio that could pay you enough to actually get ridiculously rich. It will buy you time. We're not talking about wealth. We're literally just talking about money. Where business owners get rich is on the sale. It's on the acquisition. It's on selling their business. Which is why, to me, it's just as important to have your cash flowing side of the DeFi business, that part that actually prints you cash, the pools you're in. You can make 150, 180, 200% plus. And you're moving it into assets that can appreciate so you can exit. Again, most business owners get paid on the exit. Very few actually do, they actually exit. Most businesses just shut down and close, and they don't actually extract the value they've created from it. The systems, the processes, the actual business. We will. So if you see your DeFi portfolio like a business, it's printing you cash, and then you're moving those assets, the BTCs, the ETHs, the AVAX, the SOL, the whatever coins, whatever tokens that you're actually farming for, and you're moving them into your portfolio where maybe you're going to start laddering out, or you're going to have a nice big liquidity event where you actually sell those assets at massive price appreciation, and that's where you get your big chunk of cash. I don't see it as either or. I see it as both work together. The DeFi portfolio works with the bull run portfolio, and they both, if we can do them well, we'll have a really well diversified but also well positioned business where you can earn the cash flow. Let me know if this is making sense in the comments, please. Where you can make it the cash flow, but you're also looking to sell on the exit. Which again, most entrepreneurs or most business owners, which is what we're doing in our DeFi portfolio, don't make money from their business. That's not where they get rich. That produces the cash flow. But they invest 3, 4, 5 years building something, and when you exit, you can get multiples for it. Same thing we're doing with our DeFi business. We're building this, we're putting years of work in, we're printing cash over here, we're moving it into something that is going to appreciate, and we're going to exit. We're going to liquidate that, and you're going to get a nice big chunk of change on the next run. Wanted to share that thought. I hope this helps. And with that said, I'm going to finish my walk. Really appreciate you. And if you like this video, like it, subscribe to this channel. We talk about crypto DeFi, but we're way beyond that because I don't think building a portfolio is one-dimensional. There's a lot of factors that go into it, both technically and skill sets and strategies, but also mindset, heart set, soul set, frequency, states. We talk about it all on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, check it out. I will leave some videos here and here and here and here for your viewing pleasures. And with that said, I'll see you later. Peace.